This is the elevator at the Gulfgate Professional Complex in Sarasota, Florida. Nice bell. We're gonna go to 2. It's Florida elevator. No door close button. Listen to this motor. Pretty epic. We're gonna get a quick view. So yeah, I'm glad this has not been modernized yet. I believe this was installed in 1984. I really like that bell. Although technically it should be 2 chimes for down. Here's your inspection certificate. This one's out of date. I'm filming this in March 2025 and it expired in August of 2024. It says Florida Elevator right here, which is a local company in Sarasota. Let's listen to the motor one more time. In the meantime, here's your cab view, since it's going to take a little while for the door to shut. Doesn't really have any classic leveling, even though you can still hear the motor running even after the doors open. And here's another look at your phone. Let's watch the button go out. Doors might take a little while to shut, but actually, since we're here, let's see if this outside indicator works, because I don't really know for sure if it does. So, doors took a while to shut. It's really dim, but it does actually work. And that'll be it.